Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in again. I think we're on episode 7 here of our new products and new features in the home automation and smart home space here. So let's get going with today's episode. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is a new feature, or really what it is a new application on the market here. So what that is actually an update to the Samsung SmartThings application. Now, what they've gone ahead and done is rename their application, the existing one, to Samsung Classic, and they are now moving over to a new application for the Samsung SmartThings ecosystem. So they're bringing over all of the functionality. Now, what you need to know today is that you don't have to go immediately convert everything over and move over to the new app. In fact, I think you want to wait a little bit because the notifications will be coming out that they have the transition tools ready and that 99 or 100% of their Samsung SmartThings ecosystem will work in the new app. So not everything works today. You're not going to be able to transition very seamlessly right now. So maybe just hold off a little bit here, but know that there is a new app coming from Samsung SmartThings, and you can go download that with a simple search under SmartThings in the App Store. The second thing I want to talk to you about is a new entrant into the smart assistant or the home assistant space. Now, this isn't one that's going to hit everybody in North America or even Europe here anytime soon. It's actually going to hit you if you're in China and you have a Huawei phone. So now those phones with a specific OS here, it's the Kirin OS. If you have that, you now have an app called Hi Voice, and within that Hi Voice app, you've been capable for a little time here to go ahead and make a phone call or send a message or do very simple things on your phone. But what has now changed is that the new code is kind of showing us that there's an opportunity here where this new Hi Assistant, or under the Hi Voice app, will be capable of matching up with Amazon Alexa or the Google Assistant. So it's a new entrant. It's only meant for those people with a Huawei phone in China, but I think very soon we're going to be able to see that come into the North American and European markets. Now, another new feature I want to talk to you about is actually an upcoming product from a company called Piccolo. And I don't know if I'm saying that exactly correctly, but anyways, this company is out there. Instead of a voice assistant, they're creating a gesture-based assistant here. So, they're coming out in the next month with the first version of their product with gesture motion, basically causing actions on your screen. You're able to move things around your screen. If you have a Chromecast or you have a set of different cameras, you're able to interact with your screen through this Piccolo. So stay tuned for that. As that gets a little bit closer here, I'm going to go a little more in depth into this new upcoming product. One thing to note about Piccolo right now is that you can actually go to their website. It's piccololabs.com, and if you go there, you can sign up right now for email updates, basically through their newsletter. And if you go ahead and do that right now, you're going to be entered into a giveaway there for being able to get one of the 20 products they're going to give away here next month when their product launches. So that's an opportunity for you to go ahead. I'll leave a link down below for you to head over there right now. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about, it's not something that's brand new on the market, but I'm not sure how many people actually know about this product, and it's quite expensive. So I don't think there's a lot of noise about this product around. So I just wanted to bring out, if you're headed to your local Starbucks and it's one of those walk-in Starbucks where you can go and, grab a table, then you've probably seen these Ember travel mugs or the Ember ceramic mugs. Now, what these are either a travel mug or a ceramic mug that has an app on the App Store paired with it. And both of those products can then go ahead and keep your beverage at a certain temperature for you. So it's just intended to leave your beverage in the perfect state for you at all times. Now, as I said last week, and I'm sure lots of you saw our Google Assistant or Google Home and Amazon Alexa video of updates and new products, but I want to talk about one thing specifically this week that is related to the Google Assistant or Google Home. Now, that is a product being launched by Nest called Nest Hello. So what Nest Hello is it's a doorbell with a camera on it. Now, the very special thing, because we've seen a number of those products, but the special thing with Nest Hello here is what they've announced in terms of integration with Google Home. So what that device is going to be capable of doing is essentially as you have some of your friends or your family come over, you're going to get a familiar facial recognition software activate inside your Nest Hello, and then it's going to communicate with your Google Home and actually announce who the person is at your door through your Google Home. So that's quite the functionality, and I think that's starting to move in the direction that we saw with Amazon going ahead and buying Ring. I think that's kind of the direction that both of these companies want to head. They want to provide you that information of who's at your door, and then I think give you the opportunity to actually allow that person in or not based on who it is. So there you go. That's another great product here coming. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up this week's new products and new features video here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this has helped you out. If you have any other questions about these products, I'm going to leave lots of links down below for you to go ahead, have a look at some more information. But in general, of course, you can leave a comment. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about these products. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.